Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sickly Sister Always Misses Me, Chapter 3. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the three of them, her mother is still talking about her. That Zhao Zhao is not your father's daughter. Then, right now, Yulian, is trying to find out who's the mother and father of Wen Zhao. But right now, Zhao Zhao's mother is my former friend. She is already left because of an accident. Now her mom trying to said to her, but looking at it, seems that was still not sinking on herself. So I took Zhao Zhao home to raise, told the public that she was the second young lady, the Su family. Oh, her father is good. Turns out, she is not the real daughter, but she also accepted in the family. As adopted her, it's necessary to say that she is my biological sister. There's a reason why I have to hide her identity. Like this, it's also the deal I made with your father. Well, it seems that it was really curious on what's happened before. Why suddenly, Chow Chow, taking part to be the family of Su, have known since I was a child. My parents were married for the business and have no feeling for each other. When I first learned about Yu Wenzhou's true identity, but I never thought that it was all lies. Sister, let me help you. Upstairs and have a rest. To Julian, no need. I want to be alone for a while. Now, she want to be alone, and looking at her, she looks really exhausted. Especially, she also get drunk. Well, finally, to Julian, she's going upstairs. She's been followed by Wenzhou. Well, the two of them still being civilized to each other, especially Wen Zhao. Seems to be like Yu Yuljan. You already know about this. I found out about half a year ago. Oh, it turns out he's the only one who doesn't know the secret. And looking at her, it's really hurt her, right? From her whole life, she wants to protect Wen Zhao. Right now, it seems that they're not really related. Half year ago was the time when Su Wenxiang is going to return to China, develop her career. Turned out there's no signs of all of this. Liars, they are all liars. Julian said to them. My sister knows that my identity, she won't be ignore me, right? Now, Wenxiao, she was thinking hard that time of she is going. Tell her sister, but Su Julian still having tantrums. Right now, why lie to me? All she think on her mind. Well, this is not good. Seems that she is really sleepy, but she can tell them what's happening. Elder sister, I will cook you a sober soup and drink it while it was hot. Well, it seems that Julian was still sulking. He'll betray. Sister, come on, have a drink. Wen Zhao is asking her to drink the soup that she already cooked for her. Looking at her, it seems that she was really blushing. Well, she feels so hot. Right now, she is semi-consciously. You are not my sister, why should I listen to you? Now, this is getting crazy. She was still refusing. But right now, it turns out it was an accident. Sue fall on the bed, and it's really messed up. Sue Julian, sit up. Now, she need to do her work. Also, looking at it, seems that it's a little bit calm now. You even repute it. Leave us alone. As soon as you say it, many years you are not relative. You are not relative. You are not even a little bit sad. Now, you Yulian, trying to provoke Meng Zhao. I don't want to be nice to her anymore and let alone take care of her as a sister. Sister, I'm back. But can she really hold herself? Or she can restrain herself? After 10 minutes, Meng Zhao came back again. I have made some hot water and wipe you down. Don't you touch me, Julian said to her. But it seems that this young girl won't really bother. She really needs someone who can protect her. Now, when Zhao said, can I touch it? Looking into it, she looks really serious, provoking Julian. But everything is changed. Sister, don't you smell anything? Right now, Julian. She seems to be surprised. What's happening? Well, she get really this. Even though she was sleeping soundly, she really get this. Clothes smells like cigarette, freshly spilled soup. It smells really bad. Now Wenjiao is trying herself to be calm. Well, looking at it, she looks really beautiful also. Julian. Now she covered up her blanket, and she was really shy. Well, we can see that what happened here a few minutes ago. Well, for now, Wenjiao, she really helps her. Don't worry, sister, I clean it up for you. Now, looking at her, Su Yulian, she really looks uncomfortable. Also, for Wenjiao, she really wants to tease her. Your skin is sensitive, so itchy. Me, I'll do it myself. Now, this is getting crazy. Turns out the two of them may really fall for each other. But right now, sister, don't move. Squeak, lightly and gently. So listen to your sister. Now she continued to provoke her. It was really good. But right now, even though she touched it, she really feels uncomfortable. Well, this is getting crazy. Yulian said she is an itchy, but can someone help her? Right now, Wu Wenjiao, looking at her, she looks really angry. Yulian, what you gonna do? Well, it's a little bit of tense. Suddenly sit up. Now Su Yulian, she looks really exhausted. Well, we can see on what will happen next, since she's a little bit restraining herself. Also, she's being obeyed. Su Wenjiao. So what's wrong with my sister? Did I try too hard? Now she really wanted this. Su Julian. Oh, this girl. She looks really gorgeous. Even though Su Julian is still resting. But looking at her, now she really calmed down herself. So, these two girls can do better. Especially the relationship of them. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Do comments and turn on notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!